Hey everybody, Rasmus Auctions here in Fort Ashby, West Virginia, where we are at a baseball and softball training facility. We're going to take you around and show you what is up for auction. So we are standing right now in the pitching lanes. There are 4 pitching lanes with about 5 or 6 different pitching machines all over there. The netting is also for auction. It has these 2 cool pullouts so you can actually play an indoor softball game. As we pan around, you'll see the basketball nets. So there's 2 that are a little bit shorter, and then the one has the longer basket.
2 are 54-inch, one is 72-inch.
There you go. There you go. We have much more netting. It's all parted out by size, so you can take your pick. And if you haven't heard of Can Jam, it's this awesome Frisbee game, so check that out. So here we got the basketballs for sale, some tables, some wall padding, some more pitcher's netting, jump test. And I mean, if you guys need bats and balls and catcher's gear, it's here. Even got some helmets and a cool little helmet bag. This is the lab, okay? And in the lab, we test your strength. You can work out a little bit, watch TV, but most importantly, there's some state-of-the-art equipment in here, such as this adaptive resistance exercise machine, where you can do almost any exercise and it will adaptively adjust the resistance so you're putting in max effort throughout the whole motion. So you get 1 rep to calibrate it, and then you've got to push full strength. You can control the eccentric, the concentric, the decentric, all the centrics right from one machine. It'll track your progress over time, and it's really, really great for building strength. But if you want to get a baseline for where you're at right now, this machine will help you test your swing. You test your golf swing. You can test your hockey swing. You could test your batting swing. And it keeps track of everything in the computer for you, all in one database. You can set it up to train power. You can set it up to train strength or train speed or freestyle. So whatever you think you can do rotationally, you can measure. And there's also a single arm equipment. I've seen these work on swimmers, football players, you name it. It's an awesome machine to get you to the next level. Another big piece is our reflex trainer. This screen LCD, it folds up, it fits in that case right there. The iPad's not included, but you can use your own and download the software. It's pretty simple. And this will test your reflexes. So you're not only strong, you're not only putting in the rotational capacity, but you also have great hand-eye coordination. But to get your real baseline, they put you on the Fit 3D first. So it's a full body composition scanner with a couple different cameras on it. So you get in here, it'll tell you where you're at body-wise for your height and weight, muscle, fat, everything. And then you move on around the room. You can do the whole thing in about 30 minutes. It's pretty neat what they got set up here. These 2 are exercise bikes, stationary. They both turn on and they track your progress. This might take a second, so you might not wait for that. There you go. So it's cool. They both have some Android tablets in them. And you have your profiles, and you can keep track of your resistance and how far, how fast, how hard you've gone. And then the owners of the place were also big construction guys. So there's a bunch of construction material as well. If you're into handyman stuff, we got you covered. So this is Wheelhouse Academy in Fort Ashby, West Virginia. This has been the lab. Come check us out for our exercise equipment and baseball, softball needs. And we look forward to seeing you on site. Happy bidding.